Hey everyone, Steph Beckett here for rAVe Pubs. I'm here at ISE 2020 on the last day of the show here in Samsung's hall. If you look behind me, you can see Samsung's The Wall. Samsung announced at this year's ISE conference that it's expanding its lineup for The Wall with The Wall for Business. The latest iteration of the display offers an industry-leading experience for a wide variety of commercial applications, from control rooms to broadcast centers, lobbies, design centers, and more. The Wall for Business features a range of configurable and customizable sizes from 219 and 292-inch 4K versions, now up to 437 and 583-inch 8K versions, the largest ever unveiled. For those who aren't familiar with The Wall, it's Samsung's modular large format indoor micro LED display that delivers outstanding brightness, contrast, and viewing angles. The display's modular design allows for customized configuration in nearly any size, now up to 583 inches. LED technology eliminates the need for color filters or backlight, for viewers the ultimate experience with uses in many industries. The Wall is a versatile display that adds vibrant colors and breathtaking images to any environment. For more information on The Wall or of rAVe Pubs ISE coverage, visit ravepubs.com/ISE 2020.